Listen up, because in the field, good enough usually isn't. I'm the HVAC repair guy. Before I spent 17 years troubleshooting everything from residential splits to industrial chillers, I was an electrician in nuclear power. When you're dealing with a reactor, there's no room for maybe. I bring that same mindset to your backyard. Today, we're putting two heavyweights head to head. The Aireforce FSH4BE versus the Champion LX Series THE2. We're talking ducted split heat pumps, and we're looking for the technical truth. Let's get under the hood. The Aireforce FSH4BE comes out swinging with a louvered coil. In my book, that's superior armor. Those steel louvers are there to stop hail, stray baseballs, and the neighbor's weed whacker from flattening your aluminum fins. The Champion LX Series THE2, on the other hand, uses a wire mesh or slotted protection. It's better than nothing, but it doesn't offer the same physical shield as a full louvered cabinet. One thing to note on both these basic tier units: neither one comes with a compressor blanket from the factory, so expect to hear that compressor working when it's under load. Now, let's talk numbers. The Champion LX Series THE2 edges out a win on efficiency with an HSPF of 8.0 compared to the Aireforce's 7.5. In the world of power bills, that half-point difference means the Champion is squeezing more heat out of the air for every watt you pay for. Both of these are single-stage machines, no fancy inverters here, which means they are either 100% on or 100% off. It's simple, reliable tech, but the Champion is just a bit more refined in how it handles the load. Before we get to the warranty, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had to replace a unit because a hailstorm turned your condenser coils into a flat sheet of aluminum? Or maybe a rogue lawnmower kickback did the job? Drop a comment below. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. But Aireforce pulls a nuclear-grade move here. They include a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just swap the part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. Champion's LX Series is a standard parts-only deal. In the field, a unit replacement warranty is the ultimate peace of mind. So, who takes the trophy? If you want the highest efficiency for your monthly bill, the Champion LX Series THE2 is your pick. But if you want a machine built like a tank with a warranty that actually has your back, the Aireforce FSH4BE is the winner. That louvered coil and the 10-year unit replacement coverage make it the smarter long-term play for most homeowners. If you want to see how these stack up against the rest of the market, head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more field-tested advice. I'm the HVAC repair guy, keeping your air moving and your bill down. See you on the next one.